welcome to Paul Auto Repair. I am happy to announce that our shop is a partner of Arrow Trans Corp. As an employee, you receive 20% off on all body work, mechanical work, everything that we do. So let me show you around. Here at Paul Auto Repair, we do all types of body work, starting from pulling a frame, painting a door panel, painting a bumper, anything you need. We work with all major insurance companies, whether it's State Farm, Allstate, Geico, any kind of insurance that you have. We work with all makes and models, whether it's from a Toyota Corolla going on to a luxury or sports car like a Lexus, Mercedes-Benz, or even a Ferrari. Here at Paul Auto Repair, we make sure if you are busy to pick up your car, drop it off at all times within a certain mile range. So I would like to remind all of you that here at Paul Auto Repair, every employee that works at Arrow Trans Corp has 20% off on all repairs. We are located in Schaumburg, Illinois, so come on by for a free estimate. If you have any questions, we're here always to help you. Give us a call today as well. Please check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and also our website at paulautorepair.com. Thank you for your attention, and if needed, I hope to see you soon.